I don't know. It's not in any towns, but it looks like, as Mike pointed out over there.
You see that phone right there?
Yes.
I think that's it.
So, man,
right there, yeah.
In that town of Byron, man, you should be in your safe area right now.
There it is.
Go to safety because you're in danger.
Here,
Eric.
let me see.
Yeah, it's huge. We saw a lightning flash stand out.
Open this up. Can you open this up?
And you see a huge funnel. And a huge tornado is what it is. A huge tornado. The velocities continue. As we were talking about, they were getting very tight, very strong. Valves jump in here anytime you need to be, because that was a
don't open that. Look at that. There she is. There it is, right there. First tornado.
We have, and I appreciate that. Anywhere in the rural areas from Driftwood, it's in the Byron.
It's on the ground.
Which is one of the correct pronunciation. It's a huge tornado.
We got a second tornado on the ground.
Where? Shit. 2 miles east.
Further that way.
Okay. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. I'm
gonna get out of here. Let's get out of here. Don't worry, we're fine. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Relax. So let's go up here and get out. Hold on. I won't get us in danger. Don't worry, okay? I promise you, Kayla.
How far north of you is it?
I'm going to estimate about 2 miles north and probably 3 to 4 miles east.
Is it north of you or north?
Be careful, there's lightning.
I mean, it's the big tornado is straight north of us.
Okay, that's the one I'm interested in right now. So we're looking, we see quite a few farmhouses, some oil well structures in the way, and the path of it.
Guys, it's moving.
There it is, right there. Guys, let's get back in.
This is Amaretta, high-speed winds, large tornado.
We're gonna keep going.
The most dangerous time. And
it went back up.
Text signature indicated again, which is not surprising since a tornado, a huge tornado, is on the ground. Are we up to date on this right here? Okay, Byron 828, and it's right
my radar.
24 now, so it's about on top of you. Huge tornado. Amaretta 830.
No, we're driving into the dark.
Right now.
Don't worry. This is how, I mean, it's dark.
But it finishes with the Byron area. Waldron, and then Manchester 858. And then it goes on up into Kansas, Anthony, Kansas 911. And once again, if you have people, friends, and family,
we got some rain up here.
Call them or Twitter them or Facebook them.
What are you doing about the second tornado?
Let them know that there's a big tornado on the ground. It has been off and on for quite some time, but this is a big tornado. The lightning flashes, if you watch, it's really big.
We did.
It's really strong.
You found it.
North of Cherokee, it's in north central Oklahoma. As you look at the...
I think we stay with these chasers, we'll be fine. No, we don't want to follow chasers.
Yeah, no, they're going to be way more
They're going to get close.
They'll soon be gone with this thing. It'll soon be into Kansas. And if you saw it developing back to the west, they don't prove significant at this particular time. So, we still have 20 signature.
What, is it big?
It's so close.
Go ahead, Val.
We're like, holy crap. Is that 2 of them?
That's getting bigger.
Yeah, it's getting bigger.
Most have become rain wrap. We cannot see it anymore. Last we saw it was still on the ground, very large. But the one to our northeast, the second tornado that's on the ground, is a pretty good sized tornado. Not quite as big as the other one, but still a large tornado. It's still on the ground. And,
I got a good camera view right here.
It's probably 3.5 miles straight northeast of us right now, where we're at, Garrett.
Okay, I'm going to give it GPS. So it's 3 miles. So 1, 2, 3. So it's... Well, I see, I'm looking at Google Maps. I see a lot of structures. Maybe some farmhouses in those areas there. I'm sure lots of livestock.
Yeah, look at the camera. Yeah, take the camera.
Probably south of that. That's kind of what we've got. It's south of that. Maybe even southeast of where it is.
Yeah, the thing is, we can
not completely lost.
Where's my radar?
Most of us, we don't know if it's still on the ground. It might be paint grass. It's hard to imagine a tornado that large.
Isn't that crazy?
It's
going away that fast.
beautiful.
It's back down. It's back down.
Still on the ground. We're still seeing power flashes from it, Gary.
Yeah, this system
Forget my wig.
moving up toward Manchester, northwest
Oh my
of
gosh.
Wakita.
Right.
That is a beaut.
Northeast of 40 miles per hour.
And we got it.
Naked velocity.
Look at that.
It's
Again,
cute.
it looked like it disappeared on almost one scan. It still indicates a tornado to the
Look at
center
that
of
thing.
Alberta, just a little bit to the west, and that
It's kicking up some debris. I can see the debris.
Northeast
See
of
what?
Byron,
I see debris at the ground. See that? Where? On the ground? Yeah, I can see the dust trail.
That's where the tornado
Oh my gosh, look at that
going.
thing.
On the pics on the left,
Guys,
too, we
where's
have
the
that.
other one?
Okay.
I'm watching. Don't worry.
Bobby on getter. Lots of cell problems, okay?
Oh my gosh.
That is a big tornado.
That tornado is west of Amaretta, northwest of Amaretta, or in that vicinity.
We have a beautiful view of it on camera.
Okay. All right. Bobby
Holy
confirms
crap.
a large tornado be dropped off. Find
man.
Bobby on the GPS set, please.
He's just north of Cherokee.
Just north of Cherokee. Okay, I suspect it's not updating that
Yeah.
either. So strong circulation in the vicinity of
What?
Amaretta, just to the
They're
west.
just stopping.
And another one that continues to develop even with a TBS indicated on it, onto far east of Amaretta. So it's a big circulation. Storms going on up there, continuing, moving. You know, we keep saying get to Kansas. We're almost to Kansas. As soon as it goes across to Kansas, we'll be very pleased about that. But the best thing is going right toward
It's like
Manchester.
it's across Kansas, y'all.
Where is it? 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 It's up there.
It's behind these trees.
1029 now, passing through, and just northwest
It's like
Let me just tell
Like
you
a
that's
dinosaur.
scary.
It's like a dinosaur.
42, Manchester 854. Manchester is just a little south of the
There she
border
is.
There it
in
is.
Kansas,
She's thick.
south of the Kansas border, and
I
north.
hate these trees.
North of
Yeah,
Wakita.
always trees.
So we see this storm continue to move northeast 40 miles per hour. I tell you, the one to the northeast, the Valsaw, has rapidly intensified again. And you
This
guys
is
in
two now.
Manchester may have to deal with this. Waldron just right there on the
It's
border.
gonna cross this road.
There's a TBS.
I don't wanna be on this road.
It'll cross it up there, don't worry.
Probably on the ground. Could be a big tornado at this time. And it's 10 miles south of Waldron. It's southwest
Get my
of
wig back on.
Manchester. So the tornado is, still northeast 40 miles per hour.
Look
So
at
it's
it.
still northeast
Beauty.
sections of Alfalfa County,
You getting this rolling? Yeah.
northwestern sections.
You're gonna have to light it
northwest of
probably.
Wakita,
Well, yeah.
northeast. So we got power line flashes.
Up, it's off and
Power line
around.
flashes.
Where's the second one?
Not a good deal at all.
Keep an eye on that
We're a
tornado.
little close on this one.
I'm watching. There's my radar. Yeah, it's gonna cross the street up here.
We'll take those time
It's getting
arrivals off because
so
you folks,
close to this.
they're there. You should be already done what you need to do. Go ahead. Go ahead, Val. Okay.
Where's this
We'll go a
heat
little
coming
bit
from?
closer.
All right, here we
There's
go.
Manchester. Go ahead, Val.
Oh, it's
Tornado still.
What, you got it? Yeah, I got it.
Big recap with it.
Guys.
We're good.
The most big giant.
You see it? Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Is it gonna hit them?
No, don't worry. It's a little way.
That's
pretty dang close,
Having
Zach.
problems too because of the cell problem. So
It just
Bobby
crossed the road.
Says near the Cherokee Airport. I suspect he's moved on. I think a GPS probably not updating it. He's got cell service. So we can continue to indicate
Dear
a tornado.
baby Jesus.
Just south of Waldron, southwest of Manchester. It'll be northeast of Amaretta and northeast of Byron. It's just a few miles from the Kansas border. Let me stop this thing a second. It looks like we're doing a pretty good lift to the north-northeast, and the reason that's good, it'll get it out of Oklahoma a little bit faster. But this thing is really, really impressive. We'll go in here, do a map tool, and we'll see the distance from this circulation.
Oh, we got some
right back
inside.
in here, southwest of Waldron. Take Bobby's shot. Yeah, there's his tornado. So
it's getting
that is
thick
about
again.
3.9 miles south of Waldron.
Is it gonna turn? Is that
It's
possible?
Oh, it got real
9.5
dark.
southwest.
It got real dark.
You guys in Manchester.
You
So
guys,
if
it's
you
not
live
moving as fast
from
anymore.
west of Walden over to Manchester, and points just south of Manchester, You know, continue through tornado percussions. This thing still
Wow,
has a
it got
tornado
real
on the ground.
dark.
You can see Bobby shot with the lightning, and tornado continues. It looks like very large, what we call a stovepipe tornado.
It's over there.
Oh my gosh. Lines, that's when you see...
we need to watch for power lines.
It's to the right of the highway. There it is. It's almost directly in the center of the screen.
Wish I could see the screen,
cell service, but we're able to get his picture and his video in here. Another shot there of the lightning. So stovepipe tornado continues on the ground, and as it moves northeast at 40 miles per hour.
That car or this one?
It's really, really wound up.
I'm going this way.
It's really wound up. So tornado continues. There's a few miles south of Waldron and also southwest of Manchester. So if we put that right about in here, we'll go 3 miles now south.
Where is it?
Southwest of Waldron.
It's going to be on my right somewhere.
About 9 southwest of Manchester.
What was that? Debris.
So this storm really on radar.
Okay, we should see it somewhere.
It's you know, every
Watch
time
out,
you see a
Lewis.
power line flash, you see a flash there, lightning.
Where is it? There it is over there.
There it is. You can only see it during the lightning.
It looks like to me, huge rotation again, very powerful. So
Is it close or far? It's a little ways away.
Amaretta, Byron, it looks like it's just a hair to your east. So
They're trying to speed up there, I think.
Highway 58. It's north of Highway 11.
That cell, you see that?
And it's west of Highway 132 in north central Oklahoma. The main areas we're looking at will be, you know, Manchester.
Debris.
And also, you know, it's a little luck, guys, it'll go west of Manchester. But that is not necessarily what will happen with it. But right now, 9 miles. Let me remeasure this. It's just moved a little bit in here. Here's a big inflow.
Oh, dang.
That could be a debris ball we're seeing right there. Where that red debris means that's debris from the tornado tearing things up and throwing it in the air. 6.5 miles southwest of Manchester.